What's poppin'? I'm gonna be playing around with NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner because I wanted to do a colorful graphic liner, but I don't know which one I want to use. We gonna figure it out together. All right, so right now we're gonna start with our base. I'm gonna use my Skindinavia finishing spray, oil control. I'm gonna go into my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have oily skin, oily acne prone skin by the way, so now I'm gonna take my Fenty powder in the shade Cashew. Let me put y'all in on a little tip. If you're tired of going back and forth, wetting your beauty blender, sitting back down, wetting your beauty blender, oh, it's a little dry, I gotta go back and wet it. Get you a cup of water and put your beauty blenders in there because it's probably not sanitary, but I'm not going back and forth to keep wetting this. So I literally, as soon as I start my makeup, once I set everything and get everything together, I get me a half a cup of water and I put my beauty blenders in there and I let it sit until I'm ready. It's probably nasty. I don't care. I'm not getting up and down. I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna squeeze that a little bit. And I'm just gonna set that primer because I have oily skin. We want our face to last all day because I got things to do. I don't have time to touch up, and I don't like touching up either. So after I do that, we're gonna go into brows. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, excuse me, in the shade Dark Brown. Toy Story. And Toy Story 2, second edition, first time on a blue. Y'all remember Mike's Super Short Show off of Disney Channel? That used to be my jam. They'd be like, Mike's Super Short Show? I don't remember the hand movements, I just remember Mike's Super Short Show. I take my NYX HD Concealer in the shade Nutmeg. How are y'all feeling, like, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, with all this going on? Me personally, I've been pretty, of course everything is mentally draining, but honestly, I just keep my mind renewed with the word of the Lord, and that just keeps me going, and that keeps me positive, and that keeps me sane, if you will. We all lose ourselves when we don't keep our mind renewed with the word of God. And also taking a break from social media because sometimes that could be very, very, very overwhelming. So, yo, I'm really on YouTube. I'm YouTubing. So now I'm gonna go into my Maybelline FitMe in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm gonna take the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear foundation in the shade 4.4, and I'm gonna take 2 pumps of that. And I'm just gonna mix all of that together. Setting spray from earlier, our Skindinavia setting spray from earlier. All right. Shit. Can't stop, won't stop. In the shade Cappuccino. A lot of people be trying to constrict their 5 head. I'ma rock my 5 head. I don't really care about that. This is gonna be the best 5 head you ever seen in your life. I'm not a we gonna showcase this hoe. So we're gonna let our concealer dry down. So now I'm gonna go into the Fenty contour stick in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush, blah, 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 blah. But I am gonna, what highlight does is basically when you look straight at somebody's face, you see the highlights and the lowlights of your face, right? So basically with the highlight right here, you're just basically you're making the highlights of your face more prominent, and you're making the shadows in your face more prominent. That's basically what you're doing with the highlight and the contour and or bronzer. Back into the booty bend water. And then we're just gonna beat our face. Comment down below if you are a musical theater person, because that's my favorite form of theater, musical theater. Out of television, stage, like musical theater. Ugh, that's what I did all throughout high school. That's what that's what I live for. I live for a good musical theater, honey. If it gets stuck like that, you can just take your foundation brush and really get in there. Really get in there. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah. Set with the Fenty powder. I like to blow mine off. Every time you have a cream product on your face, you want to set it down or else it's gonna move, it's gonna come off, it's gonna transfer, and we on one day. Now it's for the fun part. I really love this brownie bar from Bakerie. It's so good. Oh, it is so good. I have both of them. If y'all watched my last video, you ain't watched my last video. Boy, you ain't watched my last video. What's wrong with you? We got beef? I thought we was friends. I mean, you should go watch the last video if you ain't seen the last video. Contour shade in the brownie bar palette. Get into that ear. We don't want us to be a face mask. Get into that ear. Get into that hairline. That hairline, I'm a little rough with it. Get into that hairline. Because my edges are still blonde, which is cute. I love them. But, you know, we still trying to make sure we get into that scalp. All my bald head brothers and sisters, get into that scalp. And we're just going to go into that contour. Contour our nose. Boom. Child, if I can Vogue, it'll be the end. So I think I know what I want to do. Okay. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna take the blue one from the NYX Vivid Brights, and it is in the color Vivid Sapphire, darling. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a regular wing liner. Ooh, I gotta blink. Girl, look at me, child. I'm excited for this look. All right. I'm just gonna go over it one more time, just a little bit, just to make sure I got it as thick as I would like for it to be. So I'm just gonna make it just a little bit thicker. Boom, pow, pow. Now we're gonna go to our left eye. R.I.P. baby girl, Lisa Left Eye Lopez. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom. Now we're gonna do the wing liner, darling. Oh, my wing came out cute. Okay. Usually my wings don't be coming out big. It's probably because I'm recording. So we're gonna dip into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna take this blue color right here, and I'm just gonna take a regular schmegular old smudge brush, and we're just gonna smudge out what we have at the bottom right here. I'm gonna fix this inner corner a little bit. We're just gonna make it a little more cat eye-y. One moment. So what I ended up doing was I took the yellow one in Vivid Halo, and I just did dots on the inner part. And then I took my Milani Baked Blush in Red Vino 09. This is how it looks. This is my favorite blush of all time. And then I took my Real Techniques brush in 400, and this is their blush, and I just pat it right here I've had it all right there, honey. So yes, I am rushing a little bit because I'm gonna go to work in like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna take my NYX eye pencil in the shade brown. Put up on your side. No, 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 no. All right, and then I'm gonna take this NYX soft matte lip cream. That. And then I'm gonna take this Tarte lip paint, and I think this is in Birthday Suit. Oh, it's in Birthday Suit. I got this like years ago from Sephora for like that little birthday package, and I was like, girl, I'm not about to use this light ass color, but it actually came in handy, so I'm glad I kept it. And I'm just putting it in the center. Do I want to keep it like this? No, I don't. ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Type of Way. And that is the final look. I really like this. I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone with my makeup. I want to do that more often. These looks really aren't for every day, but I feel like you should push yourself and wear it. That's just me. If that lip was too much for you, too colorful for you, and it's not really that comfortable for you to wear, take the same brown lip liner and just take that lip gloss. You don't have to do all that, what I did. You can just take that lip liner and this lip gloss. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is take that spray. Take that fan, I'm just gonna fan it. I was gonna do mascara, but ain't no point. Thank you for tuning in. This was my first time really doing a makeup look like this, and I wanna do more makeup looks like this. Apparently there's this thing going around saying that people, my skin tone can't do stuff like this, but look, I just did it and it looked cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and watch the last video, because that was cute too. That was really cute. So you might as well watch that, and you might as well like this one and subscribe. Because clearly you like what you see because you came back. I'm just saying. And also comment down below what other videos you want me to do. I'm about to go, hold on, let me put a little bit of this on top. Just a little bit. I could do that too. Oh, okay, this is the final look. Is this close enough for you, Johnny? I hope so.